Miss Tess, Janita Goodas.
Ree.
Quick fire questions.
Okay.
If you were not singing, what career would you be in?
Trying to sing.
Your Grammy 2014 experience in 2 words.
Very long.
If you were stuck on a desert island and given the choice of 2 albums to put on your iPad, which artists or albums would they be?
Oh, that's very hard. Ay. Bob Marley legend. And it's hard, man. You gotta ask me that. Oh my God, it's too many. There's too many. I skip. I plead the 5th.
Oh my God! All right. A movie I never get tired of watching is
Sound of Music.
If I could tell myself something 10 years ago, what would it be?
It's all gonna be okay.
My mother was right about.
My mother was right about being proud of who you are and being yourself, no matter what.
Good mother. A song I can hear a billion times and never get sick of is
I Wanna Love Ya. That one.
One simple action you think everybody could take to make the world a better place.
Smile. Smile at each other.
Something about me people would be surprised to know is
I want to own a farm one day. I want a pet pig.
Oh my God.
I'm going to name him Sir George William.
And number 10, if it hadn't been Adam, who would it have been?
I don't know. It was always Adam. Even before I wanted. If it hadn't been Adam, it probably would have been Christina.
Okay.